Another water conditioner similar to API's other products that are going to remove chlorine and other heavy metals and things from our tap water. That's going to make that tap water aquarium safe. The difference with this one is that it has aloe vera in it, which can help reduce the stress of our fish, it says by up to 40%. Now it also says that it can help heal damaged tissue and wounds by creating a synthetic slime coat around our fish. So our fish have this coat of like slime. Think of it like shields on a ship from a sci-fi film. That's going to help repel certain things. So this is going to help restore that on your fish, de-stress them, and help them heal faster. Not that it's a medicine, but it's just something you can add that's going to help them heal. Now this can be used for your regular water conditioner anytime you're doing your water changes. You can throw that in. Or you can add it at different times during your maintenance cycle. You can use this anytime you're doing anything like that might stress your fish out. You're moving decor around, you're changing up substrates, you're moving your fish, you're adding new fish to your tank. That can be stressful on the fish when they're getting added. So things of that nature that are being added. If you're chasing your fish around with a net, they're going to be a little stressed out. So this is a good time to add this. You can also, just use it as your regular day-to-day water conditioner, which is exactly what I was doing. I was using the API Stress Coat Plus here as my daily water conditioner until API came out with their Aqua Essentials, of course. If you want to know more about Aqua Essentials, I'll link a card to that video that I did earlier. Now, I do, however, still use the Stress Coat. Even though I use Aqua Essentials for my tap water conditioning, I do use the Stress Coat here every few weeks. Every 3-4 weeks, I'll just dose my tank just as an extra little buffer for me, just to make sure that my fish are calm and doing okay. Now, it is less concentrated than the Aqua Essentials, so you're going to need to use more when you're dosing it. The recommended dosing is 5 milliliters per 10 gallons of water. So it is a lot more than you're going to be dosing with the other stuff, but it is a product that you should definitely use if you're looking for a good water conditioner that's going to help reduce stress on your fish during the water change process. Now, if you want to help replace the slime coat and, of course, help it as a healing additive, you're going to want to double the dose. So you're going to be using 10 milliliters per 10 gallons of water. Now, of course, it's an API product, so it's going to come complete with their handy-dandy little marking thing here. So you just open it up, dump it out. This is a new bottle, so I'm not going to dump it. And you're all set. It makes it nice and easy. It's got 1 milliliter ring in the middle, a 5 milliliter bar, and then a 10 milliliter bar. So you just look at that like you would be doing when you're giving yourself a liquid medicine. Nothing crazy there. Now, I have used this when treating sick fish. It's just a way to help reduce their stress levels and help in the healing process. Like I said, it's not a medicine. It's just an extra. So kind of like when your doctor tells you get plenty of rest and drink fluids, to me, that's what this is doing. It's just something that's going to help in the healing process and allow our fish to heal faster by bringing their stress levels down. Because when we're stressed out, we're not going to heal as fast as if we're just calm and relaxed. Now, it is also both fresh and saltwater safe for those of you that keep both tanks. It is, of course, fish and invert and plant safe. It will not affect the pH in your tank, and of course will not do anything to the cycle in your tank. Now, before Essentials came out from API, I would have given this a solid 10 out of 10. Since Aqua Essentials has come out, I'm going to drop this down to a 9 out of 10, simply because it does require more when it comes to dosing. But it's not overly expensive. This is a 16 ounce bottle. Cost me about $10 on Chewy. So, it's not something overly crazy. As always, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. Little product spotlight for y'all. If you did, leave a like down below. Leave a comment. Let me know your experience with the API Stress Coat Plus here. If you've used it, if you love it, if you hate it, let me know. And of course, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that sub button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.